How to view the battery usage activity on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button at the bottom to go back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down. And from here, tap on battery. Then we scroll down. In this section right here, you'll be able to view your battery usage information. Now, by tapping on the drop down at the top here, you can choose view the battery usage for today or since your phone was last charged. Okay, so since was last charged, I have used up 9% from here to here. It is estimated the phone will finish. The battery will be depleted in 3 days and 19 hours. So I'll go back to today, and here you can see between this time my phone is fully charged, and as we go on throughout the day, the battery decreases. Here we got the battery level, estimated battery level, and charging. This is when it was charging, and the one in blue is the power saving indicator. Now scrolling down, you can tap on view details. In here, you can view your battery activity by day. So we've got the 16th, the 15th, the 14th, and so on. So it will show you a week of your battery activity. Go down to the battery usage section. You'll be able to view information such as battery usage, screen on time, and screen off time. And here again, you can view a breakdown of your battery usage by the day. And below that is a graph of your battery usage throughout the day. And then if you go further down, it will show you which app uses up the most battery. So here I've got One UI Home using up 3.4%. Next is the camera, and then Google Play Store, and so on. If you are playing a lot of games, then you may find that games will be at the top of the list. And that's it. Now we go back here, and that is how you can view your battery usage and activities on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.